Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back with another tutorial. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying my content. In last video I teach you how we can add product. I also added few more products so I can teach you about the collections. So in this video I am going to teach you about the collection. There are actually two types of collection in Shopify. One is called automatic collection and other is called manual collection. Let's move forward. Let's first create the manual collection. In manual collection, let's say it's a t-shirt collection in which all kind of t-shirt that exist in my store will be shown here. You can add description whatever you want here. You can also add the image. Let's say it's a t-shirts kind of collection, so I have a t-shirt image that I'll be placed here. Let's say this is the collection image. Okay, so in manual collection you just have to type its name and give the collection image. You can also write description whatever you want. You can tell about what kind of these shirts are, how these shirts can add value in your life. So in manual collection, let's save it. Okay, the collection is saved. Now after saving the collection, you can browse the product. I said it's a t-shirt collection. So all kind of t-shirt we will show here. Let's say this is our t-shirt. So this product will be shown in t-shirt collection. Let's say we add another product with the shirts in the same. Okay, so these three will be shown in the t-shirt collection. It is called manual collection. Okay, the other one is called automatic collection. Let's now create an automatic collection. Let's call it dresses, or for simplifying it, let's call it sport accessories. Okay, so description whatever do you want, you can add it here. You can add the image here. Let's say let me add dummy image. Okay, let's say this is the image that we want. Okay, I am going to add a dummy image here. You can add whatever you want. So in automatic collection, these collection based on some kind of conditions. In all conditions, we met all conditions. Let's say we have a product tag is equal to sport, and other condition is product price is greater than 100. So here the product will appear that have the tag of the sport and its price is greater than 100. So for simplifying it, let's say I mark it any condition. In any condition, now if any condition of that product match, the product will show in this collection. Let's say a product contains sport tag, it will show here. Okay, so let me save it and see what happened. Okay, so here it show all the sport related accessories. Okay, the thing that I already teach you in the last video was how we can add tag. So for adding tag, let's say this is, for example, this is a sport thing. Okay, so let's see what happens. Save this. This product should be shown in the sport collection. Go back and check the sport accessories again, and let's see if this product is appearing or not. Currently it's not appearing. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. we have to wait. It should appear here. Okay, so here it is. It start appearing after 1 minute. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll learn about the collection. Let me repeat it again. There are two types of collection. One is called the manual, the other one is called the auto collection. In manual collection, in this collection, we mainly add the product by browsing them. In auto collection, this collection is based on the tags. Let's say we have a selling price, product, sorry, these are the conditions. So title, its type, category, compared price, weight, and everything like that should be matched to add this collection automatically. So in the next video, I will teach you how we can add these collection in our online store so our customer can browse this collection. Okay, so if you have any kind of question, please comment down. I will reply there. Try to make as many collection as you can, and I will let you know how it's going, or show me in the comment section, or you can also email me to get my response. Thanks once again for watching this tutorial. We will meet in other tutorial where I will teach you about the navigation. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.